How to create a TV noise effect in Unreal Engine 5. And first I will reset this material to the default value, and here we have the noise textures, and these textures I create in the Photoshop, and here I create the new layer, and I hold down Alt and Delete to create the black color, and I select here and add the noise, and we need to change this one, and also you can change this value. Okay, and we coming back, and I will right click and select the material, and I will change the name. I open it, Control Space, and I will drag this texture into here. And then next, I will add the panel, and I will add the rotator node. And I will connect this one, and I will add the round, and I will connect the emissive color, and we have this effect now. And next I will add the textures coordinate, and hold down 1 and left click to create this node, and I will change this value and convert to parameter, and I change the name, and we have this effect now. And the next thing, I will add the multiply, hold down M and left click, hold down 1 and left click to create this node, and I change this value, and I convert to parameter, and change the name. And then next, I will add the color, hold down 3 and left click to create this color, and you can see something different here. And also you can change this color, convert to parameter, and I change the name. Apply, and I will create material instant, and I select this TV screen and drag this one into here, and we have this the TV noise effect now. And I open this material instant, and I check all of the parameter so I can change this value. Also you can change this color. This is first way to create this the TV noise effect, and I'm gonna tell you another way. And I right click to create material and change the name, noise 2, and I will open it, and next I will create the noise, and here I will add the word position. I will add the add node, and I will add the time, and connect to word position. Connect to emissive color. We have this effect now. And here I will add the power, and connect to this one, and we have this effect now. And next, I will add the multiply. Hold down M and left click to create multiply. Hold down 1 and left click to create this node. And I change this value. And convert to parameter. And I change the name noise speed. And next, I will add another node is divine. I will add this node and connect to here. And hold down 1 and left click. And I change this value. Convert to parameter. I change the name to pixel sign. And I hold down 1 and left click to create this node and change the name. And change this value. And here I add the round node. Connect to emissive color. And I add another multiply. Hold down M and left click to create multiply. Hold down 1 and left click to create this node. And I change the name. And change this value. Hold down 3 and left click to create this color. You can change this color. Convert to parameter and change the name. Apply. Next, I will create material instance. And I select this TV screen and drag this material into this screen's mesh. And I will open this material instance. I will change all of the parameters. So you can change this value. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.